Letter number 46. To one of his officers. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, you are surely one of those whose help I take in establishing religion and with whose help I break the haughtiness of the sinful and guard critical boundaries. You should seek Allah's help in whatever causes you anxiety. Add a little harshness to the mixture of leniency. And remain lenient where leniency is more appropriate. Adopt harshness when you cannot do without harshness. Bend your wings, in humbleness, before the subjects. Meet them with your face broad and keep yourself lenient, in behavior, with them. Treat them equally in looking at them with half eyes or full eyes, in signaling and in greeting, so that the great should not expect transgression on your part and the weak should not lose help in your justice, and that is an end to the matter.